Dia sebanyak spoken tutorial hello nested if quaternary operators in Java. Haka bakod jogni tutorial. Pide banla ban batai shapang nested if statement quaternary operators bat ban pendenkam yiki haka Java program. Nak banta kan ni tutorial I pendenkam Ubuntu version katwi ponshipho JDK 8.1 bat Eclipse IDE live .0.0 ban buat kan ni tutorial pide ban tip shapang kajing pendenkam yaki relational but logical operators but yaki if-else control flow statement. Lara aim nakabentak I tutorial bayadi sebab page yaka website jingi kumalapan ihang ni. Nested if statement. Yaka if statement kepada hapok ka waypat ka if statement laban khot yaka nested if statement. Menta tungin page yaka syntax banthot yaka nested if statement. Haka ni ka cap lada condition 1 kalang true nangta ka program ka wat yaka condition 2. Yaka condition 2 la I nakabentak away ka if statement. Lada condition 2 kalau true namta ka program ka pentre yaka statement lani block 1. Dam kumta ka pentre yaka statement lani block 2. Lada condition 1 kalau false namta ka program kana muat yaka condition 2. Haka jisha kan let batch yaka else statement kalong block 3. Men tantang in persyang yaka nuksa ban kam skong ba. Idon yaka Eclipse IDE baka shanrang baka badan kam yaki code bahadin. Ngadap shnang ka class nested if demo but add yaka main method haka. In what la daw number bla I ude even ni odd number. In what ru yaki negative number daka pendan kam yaka nested if. Ti hapo ka main method type in n equal to -5 semicolon. Ngiladap shna yu variable n ban bu yu negative number. Menta in tho yaka if condition. Haulan babut type if apagi bracket n less than 0 play ki curly bracket yon enter system dot out dot println apagi bracket or double quote negative number semicolon. Ningkong in pet ladaw number uday negative. Ladaw odd nangta inamuat yu even lani odd. Ladaw number umday negative inuat yu even but odd. How line babut type else play curly bracket yon enter. Minta lada ka jing pintre kalapoy haka benta joga else kamot bo number umday negative. Tu inuat yu odd lani even hapo kanik benta joga else. Type if hapo bracket n modulus 2 double equal to 0 play ki curly bracket yon enter system dot out dot println hapo bracket or double quotes even number nangta type yaka else bar else play curly bracket yon enter type system dot out dot println hapo bracket or double quotes odd number semicolon. Tingi penting na yung negative number mo anong ken odd lani even. Menta tingi pet yaka jing kam ka code. Save but run ka file. Kumbang ila ui niyo ka jing mi negative number. Menta tingi persyang yung positive number. Pinkala n equal to -5 to n equal to 5. Menta save but run ka file. Kumbang ui ka jing mi kalong odd number. Kumalak mi ilti. Tungin persyang yung even number. Pinkala n equal to 5 to n equal to 10. Menta save but run ka file. Kumbang ui ka jing mi kalong even number kumalak mi ilti. Kani kadukam ban kantop yaka if statement hapok away pat lakhot nested if. Kamdan jingkot yaka jingbor ki nesting. Kalang wabha ban pemlian man omlet palat yaki line level chonga nesting. Menta impet siya ternary operator. Ningkong tukang pagkod yaka main method. Ito ka program kaba divide u number daw r. Kalang ang program wamdan kam henday kadan ibintaha kaba divide yaki odd number. Haba u nyo la divide u r niyo lai. Henday kumno lang ikwa baka jingbi kan long rounded off. Kaba mod haba u nyo la divide u r niyo yu saw om yu lai. Haka clean masuk ikwa yu number bahadin. Meta dengan page complementar ikum kata ke program. Page hapok main method type in n, and a half, semicolon. Input your number how n, but your half number how n half. How line berbuat type n equal 5, semicolon. How line berbuat type if bracket n modulus 2 double equal 0. Klik curly bracket, yon enter. Type n half equal n by 2 semicolon. Haga else part type hapok curly bracket n half equal to hapok bracket n plus 1 divided your borok do 2. In what ladau number uday even and odd banle yaka division kat kum ka rukom. Menta tungin add yaka print statement penpet yaka jingtray ka program. Di type system.out.println hapok bracket n half semicolon. Menta save badran yaka file. Kumbang yo I ka jingtmu jungi la ulang. Yo yaka jingmi ka long lie r. Henry ladang I page ko nile banbu yaka value jong variable kat kum ka condition. Kadan bon ka syntax mari ka logic ha ka program jungi. Tehang ni ba ternary operator u kampensuk yaka code. Ternary operator uday conditional operator u ba penmi yaka result kum nested if. Ka I ka syntax balankot but pinitho da u question mark. Ushim lie operands ha ka juk por. Tukan polish pa ka syntax jong ternary operator. Ka expression kadika condition ka bariban 1. Operand 1 kadika value jong variable. Results kadika condition lada kalong true. Operand 2 kadika value lada ka condition kalong false. Menta tengin page kumno ban penen kam ha ka program jungi. Ningkong tengin weng ya ka if else statement. Type n half equal to n modulus 2 double equal to 0 question mark n by 2 colon hapo bracket n plus 1 divide ya baro dau 2 semicolon. Kani ka statement kapin I if n is even n half is n by 2 otherwise it is n plus 1 by 2. Tungin page yaka jingtrikam. Save but running a file, press Ctrl S but Ctrl F11 key. Kumbang UI ka jingmi kalong kumakmi ilti. Hakani ka rukom ternary operator upinduna yaka jingkol mar haka code but pensuk yaka jingpuli. Ngila poy siya kabukot jangani ka tutorial. Hakani ka tutorial ngila pulish ang nested if statement but ternary operator but ka jingpinan kam yaka nested if statement but ternary operator haka Java program. Menta shim kani ka assignment halau nested if but ternary operator. Tho Java program na benda kini harum. What ladau number uday even but multiple jong katway penankam nested if. Pen iyo number bahaya do apply ki R number penankam ternary operator. Bantip kamboj paga spoken tutorial project page kani ka video haka link harum. Kabatay lingkot paga spoken tutorial project. Nara pimdan u bandwidth u baklan pila ban download bat page ka. Ka spoken tutorial project team kapalong I workshop da kapapenan kami ki spoken tutorial but I ki certificate ik pass ka online test. Antip company at sobat ho siya ka contact at spoken-tutorial.org. Ka spoken tutorial project karisibinta na ka project talk to a teacher. Malakarsya ni ka daga National Mission on Education lingba ka ICT MHRD Government of India. Kamon ka jingtip hala ka mission kadana ka spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Ya kani ka script lapin clash 15 kasi day crowd prakat one shong. Kurishibun mafi